So this question is two parts to it all. So the first part says change, it says here, change 74 centimetres to inches. So 74 centimetres. Now hopefully you can see what this is. 74. This goes up north. This is centimetres here. So I'm going from centimetres. So I can see 70 is there. And very carefully, it goes up in twos. So that is 74. And so you have to be very careful. I look where it cuts there, and I actually draw that line just to show my workings out, what I'm doing. And then I go down straight like that. Okay. And I can see this goes up in ones, so that's 29 inches. And so I write 29 inches. The question then says, after that, it says, and I'll read it out to you. It says, Daniel's height is 6 foot 3 inches. Okay, 6 foot 3 inches. Now it tells you, very kindly, it tells you that 1 foot is 12 inches. So what is his height in centimetres? So I need to convert it all into inches because this is all inches here. Okay, so first thing I've got to do is convert the 6 foot by timesing that by 12. And on my calculator, if you did it on your calculator, you get to 72. So 6 feet 3 inches is going to be 75 inches. Now I bet you we're not going to have 75 on the chart. No, we're not. So we don't have 75. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to split 75 up into different parts. I'm going to have it, I think obviously I'm going to have 50. So I'm going to make 75 in two parts. I'm going to make it a 50. And it goes straight up there. And that tells me I can see it's halfway along there. So this goes up in twos, as we said. So it's 2, 4, 6, 7. So it's 127 centimetres. Oops, make sure you don't draw on here. And then I need a 25, don't I? So I'm going to go up by 25 here. And there are different ways you can do this. There are a whole different ways you can do it. But this is what I think is kind of an easy route. Again, this goes up in twos. So it's 2, 4. So it's 64 centimetres. So to answer this question now, I know it's going to be 127 plus 64. Calculator. If it's a calculator paper, use your calculator. Because that's kind of obvious. 191 centimetres. Now, this one, this one is all about how good are you using your calculator. That's what it's really asking. How good are you at using a calculator? Let's just make that go up slightly so you can see it clearly. Good. So to do this, I need to really show you on my calculator what I'm doing, okay? To show you how it works. Let's see if I turn that light off. No, you can't see it, so there we go. Let's clear that. And now what I'm going to use is a fraction. So I've got a fraction button here, okay? And I'm going to use this fraction button here. So I'm going to use that button there. So I press that. And then I'm going to use brackets as well. So first of all, it says square root. So it's square root. And then I have an open bracket. I'm going to use brackets all the time here. 13.4 minus 1.5, close bracket, the arrow key down. So it's now in the denominator. Open bracket. They've even got brackets here. 6.8 plus 0.06. You could put 0.06. Close bracket, squared. Now it flashes there. I need to make it flash further to the right, so I click to the right, and there we go. And now I press equals. Write down all the figures on your calculator. Okay, it's a bit boring, but there we go. And that's how you answer that question there. Okay. Okay, let's see if we quickly get question 13 done as well. Okay, so here goes. Again, let's make sure that's focused. It says here, rotate this shape 90 degrees clockwise about the center. Now to do this, you should get tracing paper, okay? They should give you tracing paper. Now I don't have tracing paper, because who does at home? I mean, you could use greaseproof paper, I guess. I don't know, I'm just thinking aloud here. Now I make that's the center there. That's important that I keep that. You can just about see the grid behind, can't you? Okay, and it says here, so I'm going to press down there so I don't lose that. Rotate the shape 90 degrees clockwise. So clockwise means you go that way, and it's 90 degrees. So I'm going to turn this so that these arrows rotate 90 degrees around on themselves, but I can see behind, I can see the grid there. So I can see it like that, and that then fits there. Okay, and then what I do is I turn it over, go like that, go like that, go like that, go like that, boom. And that's how I do those questions. That's nice. That was good. Now this is part A, so I wonder what part B is asking. Oh, here we go. Part B says, describe fully, and it's worth 2 marks, describe fully the single transformation. Well, reflection, that's 1 mark, but now you have to say the mirror line, okay? And you can see this is the mirror line. Okay, so you say in the y-axis, or you could say the x equals 0 line. Same thing, and that's how you get those 2 marks.